Hello students, this is Shobik, your instructor. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will learn what is a variable and how to assign values in your variable. Okay, so what is a variable in a programming language? What does it mean? A variable in Python represents named location that refers to a value and whose value can be used and processed during program run. Okay, a variable is a is a named location that refers to a value and whose values can be used and processed during program run. It is a named location where you can put some values for further usage, okay, of that value using the name of the variable. The variables are called symbolic variables because these are named labels. Okay, so this is the variable is now let me just show you what is a variable. Okay, so now variable is a named location. Let me take one variable like var and equals to, I am assigning this var the value 10. Okay, now there is a function in Python using which we can print whatever we want in Python. Okay, so the function name is print and this is how we write this function. Okay, function within first bracket the variable name. Okay, so this will print this line supposed to print the value of var, which is 10 in this case. Okay, so let me run this program and see what is output. See, is 10 is showing the variable value. Okay, now I can do many more things here. The value of var is, if I do this, see, the value of var is 10. Okay, this is how it works. It will take several parameters. It can take actually several parameters, one string, one variable which is holding a value. Okay, this is how we initialize the value of a variable. Okay, and we can take as many as variable we want, like a equals to 4, b equals to 9, c equals to 10. Okay, so these a, b, c, var, these are the variable names. This could be anything like Bruce. Okay, this could be anything, but there are some rules that I have told you when I taught you the identifier, and there are some rules like you can use this underscore before starting the variable name, but you cannot use any digit, okay, or any special character. Okay, this will be an error, but this is okay, but you can use the digits or the special character in between your variable name. Okay, so this is how you create one variable and initialize the values. Okay, so this is it. Now how to, going back to the section, multiple assignments, how to do multiple assignments in one line. But Okay, so there are two types of multiple assignments. First one is A, B, and we will put those values respectively 6 or 5. Okay, this is one type of multiple assignment where you are initializing the variables, separating the name of the variables by comma, then equals to then the values respectively. Okay, now this line means where the name, the variable name, which is var, is holding now 10, A is holding 6, and this B is holding 5. Okay, now if I do something else like this, okay, this is how you initialize your variables, multiple variables in just one line. Okay, but if you want to initialize a single value to multiple variables, like you want to initialize 3 variables x, y, and z, and you want these values will hold the same, these variables will hold the same value, then you just do this. Okay, now x is 50, y is also 50, and z is also 50. Okay, so this is another type of multiple assignment. Both you can use according to your need. Okay, so let me just print it out, some of these variable values. The just print it out, just B, and I'm going to copy this one, C, then X and Y. Okay, so run this program. See, 5, the value of B is 5, right? Printing 5. Value of C is 10.2, 0, but showing it 2. It's the same thing. And take a look of this thing, X and Y, the value is same for X and Y because we did this. Okay, value of X is 50 and Y is also 50. So this is how you initialize multiple assignments, and dynamic typing. Okay, now Python is case sensitive. Now X is holding the value of 50, right? X is holding value of 50, but if I take X, cap X, and if I initialize 90, these two variables are different. These two variables are different. Okay, because Python is case sensitive. For Python interpreter, this X is a small one, so it is holding 50, and this cap X is another value, another variable which is holding 90. So let me just print it out, cap X. Okay, so if I see 90, it is printing 90, not 50, it is printing 90. Python is case sensitive. Similarly, you can do cap A 20. Okay, now this A is holding 6. Okay, now this is a small A, and this is the cap A. Okay, this variable var is holding 10. Let me take another one, var. I just did I just translated this small v into the cap v. This will do the job well. 42. Now these two are different variables. These two are different variables. Let me just show you. Cap A and var. Okay, now run the program. See, var is showing 42, not 10. 10 is showing here because we did this in line number 6. We worked with the small var, but in line number 13 we worked with the capital var. Okay, so and similarly A is showing 20, not 10, not 6, because this is a cap A and this is small a. These are two different variables. Okay, so this is it. This is how Python works. Okay, and simple input output. Let me just okay, I think this video is going too long. I'll talk about this later in my videos. Okay, so that is it. Thank you, take care, bye bye.